Hi, I'm Bhargav, Assistant Professor in EC Department of Vigyan University. I'm going to teach satellite communication for you. And these are the contents we will discuss in this lecture, and it is introductory lecture only. And in this, we will discuss what is the definition of the satellite and what is the need of the satellite communication and how the satellites are revolving in circular motion. Satellite is an object which is revolving around the Earth. If you see this diagram, you can able to see Earth is available around this one. Satellite is revolving in the blue color orbit. Like this, we can able to see, and this is the satellite. Okay, and Earth radius is represented with the R suffix here, and height of the satellite that is represented with the H, and height of the satellite means from the surface of the Earth to towards the satellite we have to take, that is H. And the addition of these two, that is R Earth and H, can be taken as the orbital height, that is R orbit. So R orbit is equal to R Earth plus H. And here also we can able to observe Earth is available in spherical shape, but not exactly in spherical shape. And around this Earth, in this orbit, the satellite is revolving. And what is the need of the satellite communication? If you see this diagram, here you can able to observe Earth is represented with here a circle, because we are taking here 2D plane, so it is represented almost with circle, and Earth radius is indicated like this, Earth radius, and here two microwave towers we have taken. Because Earth curvature is not the flatted one, the microwave communication has to be established with the towers, but here more number of towers are required because its curvature is not the flatted one. So in order to have the microwave communication in between the two towers, that is depends upon the coverage area of each tower. Because the coverage area of each tower is less, we need more number of towers. Okay, so we'll do one simple calculation. India's surface area is given by 3.287 million square kilometers, and we will assume one tower is having the coverage in the circular manner. Okay, the coverage area of the one tower will be in circular manner. So its area is given by, its coverage area is given by pi r square, because it is in circular in nature. We are assuming that is in circular nature, so that will be pi r square. And we are taking the radius of that coverage area is 1 kilometer. This is for one tower only we are talking. Okay, so the each tower is having the radius is 1. Its coverage area radius is 1 kilometer. So its coverage area is given by pi r square. That means pi into 1 kilometer square, that is 3.14 square kilometers. So India's surface area is given by 3.287 million square kilometers, and the coverage area of each tower is given by 3.14 square kilometers. So we need to find the number of towers required to establish the communication in India. That means what we need to do, total India surface area by the coverage area of one tower we will take. So 3.287 million square kilometers by 3.14 square kilometers, so that we will get approximately 1 million towers are required. So 10 lakh towers are required in order to establish the communication in the India. So it is very difficult to construct that many number of towers. So what we need to do, we need to reduce the number of towers. For that purpose, we need to increase the coverage area of each tower. By increasing the coverage area of each tower, we can reduce the number of towers required to establish the communication on the India surface. So for that purpose, the problem is nothing but having more number of towers. More number of towers are required. That is the problem. So in order to decrease the number of towers, what we need to do, the solution is we need to increase the coverage area of each tower. How to increase the coverage area of each tower means by increasing the height of the tower. So in the coming lectures, we will see the calculations. If you can able to increase the height of the tower up to 36,000 kilometers, like this, if you increase the height of the tower as compared to this diagram, here this tower is having more height. If this height is approximately 36,000 kilometers, exact figure is 35,786 kilometers. So if it is approximately 36,000 kilometers, then this only one tower can cover the one third of the Earth's surface. So with this calculation, we can tell just 3 towers are enough in order to cover the total Earth. So if the tower height is 36,000 kilometers, then that tower can able to cover the one third of the Earth's surface. Okay.